7 decades of history, 7 decades of music, 7 decades of magic. Since the opening of the Disneyland Resort, the Disneyland Band has brought live entertainment to the happiest place on earth with memorable and groundbreaking performances. Disneyland Band isn't just a band, it's a legacy. For the first time ever, the talent casting team is inviting musicians behind the scenes for an immersive workshop designed to help take your career to the next level while preparing you for the opportunity to audition for the Disneyland Band. You'll get to participate in masterclass style trainings with industry professionals, a live simulated audition experience to prepare you for real opportunities, an industry Q&A panel to learn from Disney performers and leaders, and networking opportunities to learn from live entertainment professionals in the field today.
It's every musician's dream to perform on their instrument as much as they possibly can. And being a part of the Disneyland Band gave me that opportunity, and did so in a way that I got to perform in front of thousands of guests at the resort each and every day alongside some of the most talented colleagues I've ever met. When I look back at my career, I point to my experience in the Disneyland Band as a critical step in my journey to where I am now as one of the leaders of the talent casting and booking department here at the Disneyland Resort.
Whether your dream is performing professionally, growing as a musician, or one day wearing the Disneyland Band uniform yourself, this workshop was designed to help you take that next step. You bring the talent, we'll help show you the path. Submit now at DisneyAuditions.com. Your future in live entertainment starts now. Be part of the legacy, be part of the magic.